here's the light switch we want to replace. You see I have 3 switches, so our goal is now to put this in here. So this we have pre-programmed, and now it goes into there. So I turn out the fuse, so be very careful when you work with this stuff at home. Switch off the fuses before so that you don't electrocute yourself. Lots of fun, isn't it? But the amount of cables is actually pretty encouraging, I have to say. So I think I need to do some extensive measuring now to figure out if I have a signal here which I can actually measure so that I can have power for powering this thing from there. I cannot see that right from this because I need to see if I have the neutral one in here. We have now figured out in the wall box where the cables work, and we have one major problem, which you probably also will have, is we don't have a 0 really in here. And as I told already, we need the null to go in here. So however, we think that we do have a 0 here in this white cable in the back, and I will cut this now and put a little thing in between there. So now we connected the cable and kind of extended it. We will connect this and let's see if we found a 0. Okay, you want to switch on again? Let me see if we can control the lights. It's booting up. And lights are turning on. Sounds like somebody wanted to enter from there. We were really happy that we found ground. However, so there are 2 things on. It seems to all work great. But then suddenly there's this doorbell ringing in the background. And it is not that it would be this connector. So if I switch this one on, then it's still off. But if I have the 3rd one, then the doorbell rings. So we basically cut into the doorbell. So we don't have any ground here. And yeah, back to the drawing board. So finally, we have fixed, I think, all the problems in here. So we had still kind of issues with the ground, and as you've seen, we set off the doorbell, even if we didn't want to set up the doorbell. But we found one blue cable which really seems to be the ground. Let's cram everything in. Let's hope it works this time. I heard some click. That's it.
Ta-da!
Good. It looks like a light switch. It's booting. There we go. Yeah, it all works. I love it. Awesome. Number 1.
1 down. How many to go?
6.
All right.